Really? Love it?
It's completely ripped, dude.
I can't see it.
Oh my god.
Oh sh.
Yeah, they kind of Yeah, I have to get off the field. I can't play like that.
Was it because of the pants?
Yeah.
What happened? Yeah, is it hurting?
What the fuck was that?
Oh shit, I can see.
Yeah, I know.
Oh man.
There's a big ass breeze. I gotta go get myself a new pair of pants.
Is it okay to shoot a ref? Is it okay to shoot a ref? Man, that guy was tired. He was just like. Did we win that one?
Yeah, you guys won that.
Not very nice, sir.
Wow, I'm out of gas. I'm out.
Yeah, okay. I was gonna say.
I had to sit out the whole time. I ran out of ammo. I brought the wrong mag. And I was like, oh shit, you know, I reloaded. I was like ready and then sorry. I reloaded and I was like. Where?
Oh shit, hat. Get up! Come on! You got it! You got it!
Ah! Ooh. Ooh. That was a sick ass slide.
Am I out?
How many? Yeah, that's well. You have 2 respawns, so you have 1 more.
Oh, I'm good.
Was it 2 lives or 2 respawns? I think it was 2 respawns. 2 lives? Oh shit, man. Oops.
You guys get the point. All right, so this game mode is called
Huh?
Attack on the Rafika.
What this?
How this is played?
No.
Oh, bro.
It is unlimited live. There are 3 entry points into this. Well, 4 technically.
Straight on an anthill.
Right there behind you guys. Right there behind you guys. And then 2 entry points down there. I don't want to see anybody going around over there. That's out of bounds. They're coming in. Come back over here.
I like how a couple are stunned from that too.
Oh, sorry, my bad, bro. Scared the fuck out of my bad, bro. That way? Alright, I'm gonna head in, alright?
LMG mounted.
Nice one.
The thing that made me laugh was when you were faking right here. You're up.
Yeah, I just screamed. Ah!
It was so quiet in here, I was like, alright, it should be clear. I'm
Yeah,
walking.
then I just see your Beretta peek up. It's like, oh, I got this.
I see a Tachanka just chill in the corner, this little desert eagle.
I got an eagle. I got an eagle.
I just want to play Terminus. I'm not going to be using this.
Terminus, bro.
You do? Terminus is amazing.
I just don't like the no minimum engagement thing.
You get shot in the balls from 2 feet away.
Oh yeah, you're dead.
Pretty much. Not my vagina. Not the pussy. Wanna push left again? Yeah, bro. I was left again.
That's where I was last time.
Who wants to get pinned? Pretty much. He's like pinky.
Jesus Christ.
Don't tell me what a good time. All I heard was.
Woo! You good, bro? Did you eat too much? You better vomit. Oh, you good? That's all I got. One of Never mind, I didn't bring it. I guess I'm gonna get shot in the throat too. I got one of those shamags I wrap around my neck so I don't get shot in the throat. But I guess I forgot it. Oh well, I'm gonna fucking die.
Yeah! You made me shit my pants. They're already, I think
I'm tired, man. I'm just gonna walk. Okay. Ready for this? Watch. Yeah, watch the right side. Oh, sorry. I was gonna peek through that bottom. Ah, it's too small to see. you're the kind of those kind of jokes, huh? You see one?
Yeah, there's like 2.
Oh yeah. What happened?
I waited this guy, he's over. Alright, now who's just gonna want to do what you want to trigger their firing? He went right through right here.
You good, man? Jeez, look at that sniper.
Gosh damn, bro. Jesus Christ! Andrew! Jesus Christ! You hit another one. Andrew!
Oh my god. Oh, it's cool.
You can't say all that in your butt. No, you can't. Trust me, I tried. What's your last?
Bro, what is going on in this game?
Now you realize, baby. Are you actually stuck, bro? Thank you for doing it.
Are you actually stuck?
Yeah, kinda.
You want? Tell Santa what you want.
I want.
There you go. Tell Santa what you want.
I want a P90.
Uh-huh. The Crytek?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's too much for Santa.
F you.
Like good matching? Oh, mine's darker.
Oh my goodness.
Mine's darker. I'm more Mexican.
I got privilege. The key to success, boys, is checking off on a daily basis.
The key to failure is to be straight.
In these troubled times. I think the battery was lacking out on it. So I might and remember, BLM. License registration.
Well, you got green. What does that mean?
Huh?
He gets the cool kids. He gets the cool.
Discriminated against it because he's a
I
Mexican.
think Joe has this. Damn, bro.
They call you f***ing gay, bro.
I'm the chosen one. Bro, your shit's all dirty. You're welcome.
He does that shit to me. It's scary.
How old are you, though?
I'm 20.
I'm 17.
You're 17?
Yeah, so there's an issue there.
With that being said, Babs, you guys go ahead and go out first. You gotta go start on the paintball side. Locally, neighbor.
One guy.
There you go. Bro, that shit dirty again.
Alright, everyone, listen up.
Yeah. Deal. Be going with you.
Am I even shooting a person? That's not even a person, bro. I'm retarded. Bro, you got the dirtiest goggles, bro. What have you been doing?
Huh?
What has your dusty ass been doing?
I have not been getting done and dirty.
You've been getting just dirty. That wasn't me.
His glasses are dirty, bro. Clean your phone.
The motor fell out. How the f*** is Jose, bro? I'm gonna put my finger in my. Wait, that's me.
You got quiet after that.
Yeah, I
You
mean,
go like blast.
I didn't know Juan was gay.
Yo no sé qué.
I'm not as gifted.
You guys are gonna push yourself into D9 and try to keep those 3 cones up. If all 3 cones get knocked over faster than what's normally played, the rest of the game will just be team deathmatch for the rest of the time until we call it.
Any questions?
What's up, Lulu?
Okay, so what if I die and my corpse knocks over the barrel?
First off, why are you being so dramatic in Airsoft when you die?
It's theatrics, man.
Yeah, you gotta get immersed.
Okay, well,
Listen,
okay.
if people are actually dying out on the field, you feel more immersed.
Just because he won't stop talking, fans, you guys are defending first. Enjoy the long ass walk.
Can you, a red dot fell off, can you put it in my background?
Oh no. Oh, your thing came off, the nut.
You lost your nut? Yeah.
Yeah, he lost his nut.
Right when I was about to finish, they caught me. I was like, no.
My nut.
Dude, I don't know if I have enough rounds to go.
I think I still got like 2 mags.
I got a mag and a half. You wanna downgrade?
Some like 10-year-old high cap.
I'm not that desperate.
It's okay, man. At least you got. Does this have a dot on it? No, huh?
No, it doesn't. I don't need anything.
Yeah, you don't need it. You're good.
I'm a god, bro.
Yeah, you're a god.
Just think with the real gun.
You are my religion.
Oh yes, daddy. Freaking hooker, I found that one more.
Don't worry, I'm not shooting your bag.
I'm not tripping.
I'll shoot your butt.
No, not my butt.
I love you too.
That is not a approved grenade.
That's a water bottle.
I'm gonna go. Ready? Go, go.
Alright.
Looks like you're down.
Oh shit.
That's a pretty nice pistol you got there.
You're gonna run up to the container?
Yeah, hold on. I just want to make sure it's clear though.
Oh my gosh, why is he in the way?
Move, ref! Yeah. I'm gonna go for it, alright? I'm gonna go for the hill and I'm gonna try and make it up. Alright. You wanna go with me? Alright, go! Where they at, bro?
Brother inside. I'm burning out of mags right now. There's nobody right here. I would see.
There's one over there.
Mark and see it, but I don't think he can.
Yeah.
What?
Oh shit.
Hey, if you run for it, I'll cover you.
There's someone inside?
I can try to get right, and then we can bang him.
Oh shit.
You don't know what he's gonna do.
You want me to get right?
We'll crawl straight through here.
Hey, let me stand up. I'll take the hits. And you ask me to.
If we have to crawl through right here straight, we'll go left and right.
Alright, I'll go right. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Oh shit. Nice one, bro. Hey, bro, nice one. I died, but I got the guy in there, so we were able to switch it. Oh, they switched it back.
I bang your brother any day.
That guy in the bunker bang me.
I'll bang you right now. What's up?